everybody, Mike Muntecki here. Here with another helpful hint with Excel. So we're looking at a diagram or a Excel worksheet here that basically goes ahead and shows a time card. And this time card you can list the employee, the street address of the employee, the manager of that employee, the employee's phone, employee's email, and employee's cell. So I've actually added that cell there, and I'm going to go and take that away because I'm going to show you actually how to do this. And so it's normally not there. And so basically a lot of people like to go ahead and do what they call copy and pasting. Everyone knows this feature. It's a handy feature that whoever invented it deserves a big fat wet kiss. But unfortunately, copy and pasting is not the only solution, and a lot of people rely on it. There's been a lot of advancements to copy and pasting, and the one advancement we're going to show you today is what they call the Format Painter. Now, copy and pasting is a wonderful tool, as I just said, and again, it is one of the best tools that has come around since the beginning of time with computers. However, copy and pasting when working in workbooks and other office documents that you may have to produce for your business is not the only solution, and I want to make sure that we have the availability for everybody else to work efficiently rather than having to redo work. So let's say, for example, right now we have regular hours, we have overtime hours, we have sick hours, vacation hours, and total hours. However, we don't have holiday hours. So let's say, for example, you wanted to do holiday hours, and you already had a manager up in here, and you have filled out, let's say, for example, Bob, and you had the phone number in there, 310-555-5555 or whatever, okay? And you had all this detail filled out already. Well, the problem here is when I go to insert a column like most people would do, it moves all of that over, and you notice how it shifts it all. Not only does it shift it all, but we got a problem right here. So what I can do is we can not do that, and we can highlight this stuff right here, and we can move this stuff to the right. But the problem now, oh man, I have this. And you can come in here and copy and paste, and then go ahead and then go into each cell and delete things and delete all the formulas. Or what we can do instead of copying and pasting is a really handy feature, again, known as the Format Painter. So all I gotta do is I want this stuff right here to look exactly like this stuff right here. So all I gotta do is just highlight this stuff, hit the little Format Painter in the upper left corner here, and then highlight the cells I want to paint. Boom, painted exactly the same way. This will not only copy the filling of the cell for that particular color, etc., but this will also go ahead and copy the format of the cell. So if you have a cell formatted with a date column, for example, or date type, or you have it formatted to a currency type, or a number, or general text, or any of those things, it will automatically format that cell just the same. Now with copying and pasting, there's a lot of stuff in the background that you can do to get like circular data and stuff like that, that if you're doing array formulas may not be handy because of the fact that you already have an array formula in place and you don't want to break that array formula. So in doing what I just did with just painting the cells, I'm not adjusting any formulas, I'm not copying any formulas, I'm not accidentally copying and pasting and having to use shift to paste, like control shift paste, so I make sure that I actually put in the formula as an array formula instead of just a regular formula. I'm actually just simply painting the format of the cells, and I'll fill in what I want. So up here we can click in, and you're going to notice that if I type in holiday, it's going to look exactly like the rest of the ones here. Vacations, sick, holiday, they all look the same. Same color, same size font, same bold, the whole 9 yards. So this is a really helpful feature when you're going ahead and trying to add stuff. For example, we could copy and paste this down here and then use employee cell, right? That would work, but then I gotta double click in there, delete what's there, retype what's there, instead of just simply going ahead and highlighting those cells up there, hitting the Format Painter, and painting the cells I want to do. And then what you can do also, like, let's say you want to add multiple things. You want to add email sewn, employee cell, alternate contact, and a couple other lines. Well, the problem is that if you copy and paste, you got to highlight that, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. While with this, all I got to do is highlight that, hit the format painter, and then highlight multiple things underneath, and it formats them all. So now I can add employee cell. I can add alternate contact. I can add alternate contact phone, etc. So all these little cool features I can do with just the format painter. And then over here, again, it's the same format. It did the underline border for me, the whole 9 yards, and I didn't have to copy and paste. So you'll find this really helpful within Word. If you have a Word document that you have that has like bold titles over here, and you have, you know, certain things formatted over here, all the different ways that you want it to be formatted, but you don't remember how to do it, or you got to click over here and copy it, then paste it, then rewrite over it. There's a bunch of different things that people try to do to just simply get that thing to look like the other header or look like this other text, when all you have to do is just simply highlight what you want to format from, hit the format painter, and then highlight whatever you want to change the format to. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up or that like button down there, or to the right or to the left, or wherever YouTube decided to put it today. And go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. And don't forget to check out our website and our other YouTube videos we have here that help you guys out and for free. And if you guys have any other further questions, feel free to comment down below or drop us a line via email at info@mytechie.com. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.